Good morning. It's Friday, December the 11th, and I am here to give you a quote for today. You practice and you get better, and it's very simple. You practice and you get better, and it's very simple. And that's by Philip Glass, a composer. Now, the reason I chose that quote this morning is because I'm in the midst of this. I'm practicing YouTube and I'm going to get better. I'm practicing YouTube and I'm going to get better. I'm practicing team building and I'm going to get better. I'm practicing things daily. Every single day, there's something that you can practice and that you can get better at. I want everybody to make a list, 5 things that you can practice every single day that you will get better at. Okay? That's my quick tip of the day. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready for a coaching call. I'll give a little bit of motivation and inspiration. And then we have a trainer that comes in and trains us on Fridays. And we all practice what we learn and we get better. It's that simple. Practice, get better. Practice, get better. Learn, practice, and get better. So I'll see you guys for another video later today. I'm going to change this screen. Y'all notice I have a green screen. It's wrinkled and all that good stuff. Don't you worry your little self to death. That's going to change. All right. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Have a great day, a wonderful Friday. If you don't come back, I'll see you over the weekend with something fun and exciting on this YouTube channel. Thank you.